What's up, people? Today we're going to cover using the Steam Flag Rewards tokens for promoting your content. So Steam Flag Rewards is a project that I started where basically folks, they will flag abuse, plagiarism, spam, things of the like, and we devised a system. Previously it was upvotes on the Steam blockchain, and now it is upvotes, but it's where we issue the tokens first. And then people can use it on their content rather than just these placeholder kind of comments. Anyways, so I wanted to go over actually how to use it, make sure folks understand the little process here. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have credits, right? So let's see what my balance is. And this is on the Steam Flag Awards Discord. We probably have an exclude. Yeah, we need to have a channel for this this sort of activity. Actually, we kind of do, but I'm not sure if it's yeah, I don't think it's open. So we'll create one. All right. We will create one for the public. All right, so how much did I have? Let's try that again. So yeah, these two commands, that's gonna be your bread and butter right there. All right, 0841. Oh, I'm retarded. the yeah, about that. Okay, so I have 754. Might as well use it all. Okay, so yeah, my balance is within the max bid parameter. In the future, I'm gonna work the code so it gives back change rather than yeah. Right now, if you exceed the max bid, it'll just send it back to you, and you gotta like redo it. But in the future, we'll go ahead and get that squared away. All right, so I'm gonna use Steam keychain. Now, this isn't the only way to do it. You can go through steem-engine or any other application that you can create a custom JSON operation with your active authority, Steam Connect, things like that. I had a little bit of issues with Steam Connect, but there was a recommended fix. I haven't been able to try that yet, but yeah, basically, long story short, it was asking for my posting auth, even though the URL that was given to me should have been active. At least thought, but yeah, I might need to check that again. All right, so this is keychain. All right, next step. Oh, that's a doggone shame. SnagIt is not recording that. I can't move this this box, but right below here on send it says tokens, right? Okay. That, my friends, we're trying to go to. I probably already had that on my clipboard, but I'm being paranoid. Steam Flag Awards. So that's the account we're going to send it to burn. All right, so I'm going to put the balance 07. Oh, fudge. You know, I've noticed that happening on Brave. It hasn't happened to me on Chrome, but I don't know what the deal with that is. There's probably some log I can look at and report it. So let's give that another shot. Awards. All right, 0754. send. And that should be it. Okay, token send successful, although you can't see that because it's cut off. You see current payout right now. Go ahead and refresh the page. It's pretty quick, but I guess not that quick. Check it out, I'm busy. And there it is. Start on display. There's the vote, 94 cents. It's that easy, folks. So yeah, if you have some tokens, by all means use them. If you have any questions, drop by our Discord, let us know. And y'all have a great day.